So this is a bad roads, 6 miles of bad roads, hills and valleys, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
There is serenity here, right?
Natural.
We say natural.
Natural is the mistake.
Natural is the mistake. But yeah.
There's a natural mistake flowing.
So this is just a little bit of what it looks like. Just pure bad roads, which oftentimes deep rural Jamaica is like that. Right? Yeah. Yeah, and then down below that side over there, that the river is there. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome to our channel.
Journey with the Jacksons.
Alright, so today we are in deep rural Portland.
Yes.
Let me show you what it looks like. Right? So we are in the hills of cool Portland.
Yes, we are.
Guys, we hope you're doing fantastic and that all is going well for you.
Yes guys, so thank you for tuning into our channel and for always supporting us. We truly appreciate that.
We do.
And please subscribe.
Don't
Click that
forget.
subscribe button and that like button
and that share. Alright, so today we're gonna be driving and we're going back into Kingston, so we're just going to show you a little of what it looks like while we talk about some popular things that Jamaican calls a few
Give
names.
other names.
Right.
Okay guys, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, that's outside.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel again.
Journey with the Jacksons.
Hey, so today we are in our parish. We are in Portland.
Yeah.
You know, we always brag about Portland and everything. So
right, and we decided that since we're here, we're going to stop at our favorite spot.
Yeah,
and
to get someone.
Jerk.
Yeah, some jerk. What will it be? Jerk chicken or jerk pork?
Definitely pork.
But hey guys, before we go any further in this video, remember to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Click that subscribe button and like this video, share this video, and drop your comment down below. Let us know what you think about the video and so forth.
Alright, and welcome to all of you guys, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you look right there in the back, the Caribbean Sea wreaking havoc, right? And then we go across, and then that's the church center there.
And that's Brendan there.
Yeah.
Wonder. Yeah guys, so we're about to order. We're about to order our chicken and pork festival. Yeah, so we're already smelling that sweet aroma. Hey babes, you smell the jerk?
Yeah, as usual. So that window there is actually where you order, right? So we are waiting in line, and they keep at this there's actually an upstairs area that you can go to lounge and to eat. That's an upstairs area. So guys, when you make your order, you get so this is what we bought: some festival, some pork.
We bought half pound pork and quarter pound chicken.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, wifey loves her pork. Love her pork, so
yeah,
I'ma get that.
And then we come here to pick it. Guys, believe you me, when you look on the grill,
yeah,
there you can see. I don't know if you can see the smoke.
I'm going to be about the phone there. We'll pick it up. You want me to know all right then? Hey.
Look over there.
Chicken also.
The pork is there.
What time? Take away for that dirty.
Pick it up nice to the port there. Brother. That's all I'm going for. That's good? Long time I see you. Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, we're really trying, right? Chicken. So where's the bread and stuff? Here. And then this is the pork. Yeah, right. Alright, so this is the ketchup. Got one side though.
One side.
What nice is it? Come on, that chicken on.
We get some festival here.
And bread.
Alright. We can get that here.
Did you take festivals too?
Yeah, we get 4 festivals.
Put that chicken off there.
So the jerk pork really succulent. It's really nice.
Mama, what?
Guys, this is so good.
I ate a little too much pepper, so I'm cooling down my mouth. Just ate some delicious jerk chicken and jerk pork and festival and bread, right? And we're belly full.
Belly full, belly bust.
Yeah, belly bust, as Shana say.
So guys, whenever you're in Buff Bay, whenever you're in Portland, say you're on your way to Port Antonio, or you're on your way back from Port Antonio traveling through Buff Bay, then make sure to stop at
right here, baby. Show them.
Wait.
So that's it, guys. G&B Jerk Center. So come here, stop right here and get your jerk. Yeah.
So yeah, be sure to yeah, be sure to stop by
Yeah.
and try some of their jerk pork,
Yeah.
their jerk chicken, their festival, and I mean,
Yeah,
hard
you
bread.
and you can just relax here
Yeah.
and the sea breeze, a blow upon you. Ah, it's good, it's good, it's good. So, we enjoy ourselves today.
Yeah, so guys,
Nice of an outing.
we're happy that we were able to show you some of Portland. I mean, we spent a lot of our days here, hanging out, just chilling on the beach side, just having conversations, just laughing. So you can come do the same for 2 hours, hour and a half, drink some beer, and
relax. You
social
can
distance.
during these times you can take your mask. There are sinks available with water. You can wash your hands.
Yeah.
Just observe the physical distancing.
Yeah. There's also soup here too.
Right. You can get fish soup. Which other soup?
I think they have conch.
Yeah.
Occasionally they have conch, but whatever soup they have on the menu for the day,
It's awesome.
yeah, you can try that.
You can try
Guys,
that.
it's wonderful. Portland is green. It's calm. It's cool, and the sunshine is absolutely awesome.
You know we're always endorsing Portland. Always
But
endorsing.
thank you
Portland.
guys so much again for always being there with us, always watching.
Yeah.
Stick and stay.
Bless up. Bless
See you on
up.
your next journey.
All the
Bye.
time. Bye.